All right, so I find myself doing this again and want to record exactly how to do it, and I figure others might want to see it too. So, start by, this is a fake list of contacts. I'm doing it for a conference, so we'll see how well the results come back. But you start by, on your far right, this is all you need. Name, actually all you need really is this field, the company name, because what we're going to try to do is get the URL here. So I'm going to type equal sign, double quote, I'm going to paste in this autocomplete link, which I'll put it in the description. Then I'm going to close it out. I'm going to use the ampersand, which breaks out and will concatenate the field right here onto the link there. Okay, so yeah, I want to fill them all. Okay, so now I have all these links. Here's where you have to put your developer hat on. So we go to extensions, apps, script. We're going to create a URL here, or a function here that goes out and gets all of those links and then returns them back to your Google Sheet here. So this is the function. I'll put it down below. This is the output. You can get all three of these things. I don't usually care to get the logo, so I comment that out. So I want the name and the reason I want the name, even though I've already got the name, is I want to make sure the name matches the domain. If I just return the domain, then I don't know for sure if it's the right company. So you hit save. That's now saved. Come back in here. Go to the next field over. Looks like I'm covered it up, but I'm going to type equals fetch. That's the new function we just created. And then I'm just going to fetch that link right there. Close parentheses. Hit enter. It's going to start working. So it's probably not going to work on a lot of these because they're all fake. But if I do some auto pop up here. Sweet. So global enterprises. If I expand these out, it's a name URL situation. So global enterprise, global enterprise strategy. And like I do it for legal conferences, and there's not a lot of lawyers named the same law firm name, so it makes it real quick and easy. There's only one or two results, if ever. And so I'm able to use this to come find the URL, and then in a subsequent step, which I'll try to record too, I'm going to match the domain with the first name, last name, and try to find their email addresses.